will get on after leaving school. I will get my career started. Are you aged 16 to 17? Have you left school? Are you unemployed? Then a traineeship could be perfect for you. It's brilliant. Take the traineeship in hairdressing, for example. Everything is geared to helping you learn skills that you need to be a success. The training providers have set up a real-life hairdressing salon experience. They look like salons, they're equipped like salons, and they run like professional salons by tutors who really care about your learning.
The tutors and assessors are lovely. They look after you. If you've got any problems, you can just ring their mobile. They can come and visit you in the salon, and they can talk you through. If you're not sure about cuts, you just tell them, they can talk you through it. They're really, really, really friendly.
There's a nice atmosphere here and everybody's friendly, and the tutors are quite relaxed and they've got time for you if you need anything to work on.
You'll also get help to find work placements, and that's where you'll learn under the wing of professionals who run their own hairdressing businesses. Work experience is a vital part of all traineeships. Nothing beats developing your skills in a real working environment.
We do loads of different things: colouring, cutting, blow drying, sets. Most of the course is practical because I'm in my work placement every day, and then we come here then once a month and we do some theory in a lesson and we do some tests, and we've got our books at home then to read over.
A traineeship is perfect if you left school not knowing what you want to do. It will give you the time to try out different skills and open doors for you. Whether you want to continue your learning, go on to college after you finish your traineeship, do an apprenticeship or find a job.
It's very important to be qualified. One, because obviously you want people to employ you, and two, because you need to be confident in yourself. So if you've got the qualification, it proves that you can do it, and you just need to believe in yourself.
And if you do believe in yourself, there's no limit to what you can achieve with a traineeship.
My ambition is to run my own salon specialising in afro hair. I'll be aiming it at all different ages, and maybe a bit of beauty involved in the salon as well.
So if you want to get on like these trainees, then you know what you've got to do. Get on a traineeship. I will get on after leaving school. I will think about a traineeship in hairdressing.